welcome back to the Oh So and So. So, if you could probably tell what time it is, (9:54) Tennessee time. My brain is still going. Sometimes I feel like I can't stop it. So, I got tired of just sewing. I just like, whatever I have got made for this show, I've got made. I can't think about it anymore. So, then I got to thinking about, well, what else can I do? Let's see what I can pull out. So, I'm like, okay. So, the first thing I did is I combined all of my food in these cabinets that I could and put them in that cabinet. That cabinet's done. Now, I'm thinking about these cabinets. What all can I purchase now to start filling these cabinets up? And then I have these cabinets that I have dishes that I put on my table for decoration. So I'm thinking I can thin these out because in this other cabinet, I found Thanksgiving and fall items. So, I guess what I'm doing over here is I am clearing out, cleaning out, and uncluttering. Oh my goodness. So, I've already got, and it's so dark because it is late at night. So sorry about that. I got this bin ready for my niece. I'm working on that bin for my niece because she just got a house. And, I can't stand it if she don't have stuff for it. So I have to make sure I share. So I've definitely got a mess. So I went to Aldi's today and I purchased some canned goods. So I'm trying to think, I want to get them out of the garage and into the house where there's, a better temperature for them. So that's what I want to do. And then just trying to figure out where I'm going to put this other stuff. And then I went to an estate sale. And I want you to know, did you feel the earth shake today? Because if you didn't, I'm so surprised. I went to the estate sale out in way out. And I got there and I'm like, okay, this stuff looks good. And after I looked at it, oh my goodness, the stuff was so expensive. It was like an antique shop price and then some. So I looked around and I'm like, I'm not giving this price for it. There's absolutely no way I could give that price for it and put it in my booth. I just could not, because when I purchase stuff, I want to purchase it at a lower price, make a little bit of profit, and then let the person that purchased that one item, if they wanted to resell it, they have wiggle room. But I can't believe it. I came out of this one estate sale not purchasing anything. Never, ever, ever, ever has that ever happened. So, it's definitely late, and I have like piles of stuff that goes here and there. I have a pile for the antique booth, a pile for donation, and just trying to, unclutter. Unclutter is a major thing right now for me. Utilizing all of my space that I have, because my kitchen is small, and in a way I kind of like it. I like it small because I could walk 2 steps here and 2 steps there, and I'm done. So, anyway, I hope you're all doing great. If you get a chance and you're out, pick up a little extra food here and there. Kind of stock those, extra empty cabinets that you might have. So, I can't think of anything else. I just see the clock and it says 10 o'clock and it's like, bing, it's time to go to bed. So, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video. Just think about things that you would eat like on a day-to-day basis. And because the gas prices right now are so high, so make all your trips count. So that's what I was doing today. After that estate sale, I was driving back, and then I saw a yard sale, and it was like, yard sale, okay. Well, that didn't do it either, and I said I'm going to stay focused. So I went to Aldi's, and I found so many good items. You guys need to check it out, especially if it's in your area or close by. So, have a good night, everyone. Thank you so much for all the views and the comments. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.